When you build that kit but you don't succeed, when you accidentally break that V-fin, you keep thinking about it, you can't sleep, stuck in page 1. So many kids, but now you're broke. Why does plastic break like chicken bones? It's just so hard to fix you. And the tears come streaming down your face. If you don't live in Japan, you can't get your parts replaced. When you love your kid, but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? So many kids, but now you're broke. Why does plastic break like chicken bones? It's just so hard to fix you. Just get that cement and melt the plastic. Gonna man up and fix the damn V-fin. Just get that cement and melt the plastic, and so many kids, but now you're broke. Why does plastic break like chicken bones? At least I tried to fix you.